Hi, welcome to the Intelligent AI Code Converter by GenAI Protos. In this page, you can select the model that you want, the temperature of that model, and an optional system prompt. Let's click on Next. This will take you to the Load Files section where you can choose a source platform and a target platform. We have these four options: SQL, HypeQL, ImpalaQL, and PySpa. You can choose to upload multiple files or a single file for conversion. So for now, we're going to go with bulk upload and then click on Browse Files. We have prepared all of these files for conversion. Let's select them and then click on Load Files. Then in this section, you can select which file you want to convert specifically, or you can just click on Select All. Along with that, we also have an action, Explain button. This will basically just explain the code. Okay, so along with complexity analysis summary, and all the code is being explained in this section. And then once we've chosen all the files that we want to convert, we can click on Convert. Now all these files are going to getting converted asynchronously, meaning that all of these files are going to the LLM for conversion at once, and we are streaming the conversions of every file as they appear. Okay, so in this file we have the original file, and we then have the converted file along with some metrics: the confidence score of the conversion, the complexity level of the conversion, and the completion percentage of the conversion. So in order to bring the completion percentage to 100%, we have these following action items suggested by the AI. Also, we have this AI assistant that has knowledge of the original code, the converted code, and the action items. So we can ask it to elaborate the action items. Okay, so it has just elaborated the action items for us so that we can understand them better. You can also use it for any doubts or any help that you may need in the conversion. And then we have these four options at the top. We have this edit with AI. Let's say you want to change a few things about this code. You can simply just type a prompt here and the converted code will appear here. Along with that, we also have action items on the side for you to refer. So for now, let's just say we don't want any comments in our code. Okay, so now we have the same code but without the comments. And we can click on apply changes and it will reflect here shortly. Okay, so there we have the converted code. And the next option is we can also choose to just manually make any changes that we might need. So just gonna add a comment at the end. Okay, and it has reflected here. And then we have the option to download this specific file. Okay, calculate custom risk score has been downloaded. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the converted file along with the changes that we made. And then lastly, we have this like button. So what this does is this will send the original code and the converted code to a data set so that we can use the good responses to train a model so that it can get better over time. And then we also have a search option. So assuming that a user uploads more than 100 files, so this search option can definitely be helpful. It will redirect you to the file that you choose. You can choose it from the list that drops down here, or you can also try and search for the specific file name. Okay, so that brings up the file, and then we have the option to download all of them as well. So all these files have been downloaded that we sent for conversion.